How to restore the Classic Paint app in Windows 11. For nearly 40 years, MS Paint has been the first program a lot of us ever opened on a computer. But with Windows 11, Microsoft gave it new features and a new look. If you're one of the many people who missed the Classic version, getting it back is easier than you think. We'll show you how. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What happened to Classic MS Paint? Classic Paint wasn't removed entirely. Microsoft redesigned Paint for Windows 11 with a refreshed interface and additional features while continuing to evolve the app over time. The result is a Paint that looks and feels different, which can be a turnoff for users who just want to sketch, crop, or make a quick edit. The good news is that the Classic experience is still available on Windows 11. You just have to know where to look. How to restore the Classic Paint app in Windows 11. The simplest route is through the Microsoft Store. Open the Start menu and head into the store. Type Paint into the search bar, select Paint from the results, and choose Install or Reinstall. Once that finishes, launch the app. If you prefer using the Classic version specifically, you can download a compatible installer. Be cautious though. Plenty of third-party sites offer Paint installers, and not all of them are trustworthy. Always choose a reputable source before downloading anything. Once you've got the installer, run it and follow the prompts. At some point, you'll be asked to disable something called App Execution Aliases. Go to Settings, Apps, Apps and Features, and then More Settings, under which you'll find App Execution Aliases. Find the two entries for Paint, mspaint.exe plus pbrush.exe, and switch them off. With that done, the Classic version becomes the default Paint application when launched. Is MS Paint already on your system? Before you go through either process, check whether Paint is already sitting on your system. Open the Start menu and type Paint. If Classic Paint shows up, you're already set. If Paint doesn't appear in the search results, you may need to reinstall it. You can also check under Settings, Apps, and then Optional Features. Look for Microsoft Paint in the list. Note that on newer builds of Windows 11, Paint doesn't always show up under Optional Features because Microsoft now manages it as a standalone app. If that's the case, reinstall Paint from the Microsoft Store. Software evolves and interfaces change, but some tools earn their place through sheer simplicity, including Classic Paint. Whether you bring it back through the Microsoft Store or install it manually, the app is just a few clicks away. For more information, check out our official blog post on restoring Classic MS Paint in Windows 11, linked in the description below.